What's up, Virgo? Welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thank you all so much for being here today, Virgo. So we're going to be talking about what's going on in your love life from October 16th to the 31st. This is going to be your guidance for the last 2 weeks in the month, okay? So in this special reading for you guys today, we are going to be going into how you both feel about each other, you and your love interest, someone that you're connecting with that you really love or that you really like. And we're also going to be looking at how you both view each other in this connection. So if you feel like this is it and you want to go deeper with this, you want to find out more information about you and someone that you're interested in, I highly recommend getting a personal guidance reading. And that personal guidance is going to be available for you guys, okay? If you are interested in finding out more about what's going on. And I would say click the title down below on this video, because if you click the title down below, then you will see an expansion of information and you will find the link to that. Also, if you like or resonate with this, don't forget to subscribe before you go, okay? So Virgo, let's talk about love. Yes, guys. So the way that you could be feeling about your love interest, I feel like right now the struggle is real. You know, there's something about you struggling through something at this time or during this time frame. So it may not be hitting you just yet, but it will hit when it's supposed to. So give it until the 31st to resonate with you guys. But there could be some type of struggle in a love situation. Maybe it's been very, very, very hard for you to really get through something with your partner during this time. Maybe you guys are bickering a lot. You're going back and forth a lot. Maybe you are in a competitive energy, Virgo, and it could be for no reason, but that could be something that you are actually doing. And something that you and this person are going through together. It could have been like a long, hard journey with you and this person to reach a goal. But I feel like, you know, you're getting very offensive towards your partner for allowing things to turn out the way that it's turned out now. So whatever you guys have recently gone through, you feel like your partner has you tied up or caught up into something that maybe you didn't agree with or want to deal with in the first place, or maybe your person's offensive towards you because maybe they didn't want to be tied up. But I feel like it's more about you, like your partner has forced you to become a part of something that maybe you didn't want to become a part of, or if it's not forcing, it just feels like maybe you just kind of wanted your person to understand that you didn't want to have anything to do with something, right? But instead something took a turn or went left, okay? So I feel like, you know, you're very concerned about the role that they played in this situation that led to this point. And I think that you're very surprised at this person's behavior, their actions, or things that they're telling you during this time frame. All right, so let's see your person of interest and how they feel about you. It's like a rude awakening. It's like a rude awakening is happening. Your person probably is realizing how negative they've been feeling toward you. Lately, this person hasn't really been the most loving person toward you. They've been kind of negative minded, kind of like just, I don't know, just like over concerning, if that's even a word. Over concerning, I guess, yeah, overly concerned about their actions that they've been displaying to you, that they've been showing you. So this person sees you as really being more mature than them, and really a smart girl or a smart guy for not allowing them to completely break you. You know, like I feel like that's what they're saying, is that like you didn't let them completely take everything from you, right? As you've been dealing with them, as you've been in trying to make it last with them, it's been very, very hard. to be with this person. It's been very, very hard to deal with them. It's been very, very hard and such a long journey of a lot of like dark energy, shadowy energy with this person, and you've experienced a lot of things that maybe your soul didn't even align with. But I think that this person is like, you know what? I think the Virgo is like caught on to what I've been like really doing, honestly, and I think that the Virgos had enough. And I think that this person's been pretty mean or hurtful towards you. They've been saying like anything that they feel like they can say when you guys are with each other. But I feel like now they kind of regret this. I feel like this person regrets like saying the most mean and cruel things to you when they're upset, right? So it's something like that that this person has done, and it's like you probably were wondering like, how did you guys even get to this part where this person feels like they can just talk to you this way or say these kind of things to you. Okay, now how do you see this person, Virgo? You see this person as teachable, someone that can be taught a lesson. Some of you could be dealing with the Gemini, since Gemini had something like that come up about being taught a love lesson. Some of you could be the partner to a Gemini for some, but for others, it doesn't have to be. But it's like you feel like this person is able to be taught a lesson. Like they need to open up. They need to open up their mind to a different perspective. They need to open up their mind to you more. They need to take heed of what you're saying. They need to listen to you, right? They need to be more adaptable. They do. They need to be more adaptable to you is what I'm getting as well. They need to be more open because they've become too rigid and they're starting to lose access to the growth potential. And I don't know, it just feels like it's some type of us versus them mentality that I think your person needs to understand that it's like it's supposed to be unity. It's supposed to be about unity. It's supposed to be about us as a family going against people who oppose our family. Not like I'm upset with you or you're upset with me and we're going to fight together and we're going to fight against. It's not about that. It's about like we're supposed to be together with for a greater cause than just like individual feelings and emotions, individual self-driven feelings and emotions. It's not supposed to be that way. So I feel like it's time to just like, I feel like you see your person as needing to loosen up and open up their mind, open up their heart to you, and kind of like meet you in the middle at this time. They really do. They need to open up. They need to open up, right? Now, your person of interest and how they see you. This person sees you in your head. They see you thinking a lot. They see you in your head and thinking a lot about a lot of different things that happen with this connection. They see you strategizing, coming up with some type of strategy, some type of plan. Some of you could be strategizing a way to like compete with your partner for some reason. I don't know why I keep getting that you're in this type of energy, but it's not a good thing to compete. It's really not. That's how you lose love. That's how you lose everything, as a matter of fact. And that will show the more you try to, go against love. So the thing is, you have to like be more analytical, and that's how your person sees you. Like they wanted you to be more analytical about the connection. They wanted you to be more logical about the connection. And they wanted you to be in this mindset where you're really thinking about how you guys are going to move forward. They wanted you to figure out a game plan. They wanted you to figure out how you guys are going to still last as a couple and in a relationship or a marriage or whatever it is. They wanted to know, what did you come up with to make this work? Because obviously their way hasn't been working for you, right? So what is it? So they see you in your head thinking a lot. They see that you're coming up with some type of equations, coming up with some type of reasoning that seems to be accurate according according to your observations, right? You have been observing this person enough to know that, like, they haven't been treating you right, or they haven't been talking to you the right way. They haven't been showing you that respect. Things have been falling apart. You haven't been treated like a wife should, or like a girlfriend should, or vice versa, like a husband should or like a boyfriend should. Like, you haven't really been treated that way all the time from this person, and it's a shame, because I think people are going to be finding this to be really sad, so things aren't exactly as they seem, and I think that you are actually, like, learning to keep it simple in order for you to actually get somewhere. All right. And that's really all I have. Just like an icky Vicky vibe. Like, just pretty icky, pretty Vicky. And yeah, that's what it seems. All right. And that's all I have for you guys. Thank you. God bless.